somehow I knew Dragovich was still alive.
He became your obsession. You spent the next 5 years trying to track him down.
He was everywhere! I couldn't get him out of my head. He's just like the others.
We found so much shit, he doesn't even know what he's saying.
Just always in my head.
No, I want to keep pressing you.
Hey! Who are you people? What do you want from me?
You want the numbers, Mason. That's all we've ever wanted. Take us back again, Mason. After Baikonur, where did Washington send you next?
Vietnam. Fucking Khe-Sanh.
This was in 1968.
Yeah, I was part of the SOG unit led by Frank Woods. It was recon on covert Russian activity in Laos.
What about your CIA handler, Hudson? Was he in Khe-Sanh? Do you remember him there?
Hudson. Mr. Shades. The guy was an ice cube.
The Psychedelic Music Show at AFVN. I'm Army Specialist Zach Johnson. Our APO here is 96309. If you send a request to that number, what we do is we open it like this. When it arrives, we read it, pull out that record, and play it on the air. Like this one, Fortunate Son by CCR.
Woods, you look like having shit.
Some hot for shit, it's not, baby.
It's good to see you.
Hey, too.
Jason Hudson, CIA. Thank you for your time, Sergeant. I've already briefed Mason broadly about the situation.
Let me fill in the blanks for you. Back in '64, the CIA gave up control of Cobra operations in Southeast Asia and handed it over to the U.S. military. That, McNamee SOC was born. Now, aside from being a base for the Marine Corps, Khe-Sanh is our launching point for all cross-border activities, mostly Laos and Cambodia. Missions are S&D, sabotage, black propaganda, strategic recon, POW rescue.
Hudson was down and Khe-Sanh was under siege. But like with Weaver, you risked your life to save him.
Hudson was a fucking ice cube. That's what I realized.
Your mission priority was to get to Hue City, but you all stayed behind to defend Khe-Sanh. That wasn't your objective.
You obviously didn't know Woods. You knew Khe-Sanh needed our help. There's no decision to make.
gonna get pulled!
Repeat, do not engage. Fire! Put it right there! I'm coming around again! Stay with me! Belay that order! Get your ass out of there! Repeat your left!
On me!
More NVA moving in! Infantry and armor! They must have a fucking division hit out there!
And I thought he was a pussy. Now that's what I'm talking about! Jumping back, get on the toe! Yeah, but a damn sight more maneuverable.
Affirmative, X-ray. Engaging.
You the control to steer the tow missile.
Arc flight, 5 minutes out. Nice! Arc light, 2 minutes out. VF-143 inbound. Understood, X-ray. Commencing run. Downhill! Let's turn right! Got eyes on him! Roger, X-ray. Coming in for strafing run. VF-143 inbound. Arc light, 1 minute out. Roger that, X-ray. VF-143 standing by. Roger that, X-ray. VF-143 standing by.
Those things are going anywhere!
Roger, X-ray. Targeting sector. You're inbound. Arc light. Coordinates confirmed. Engaging.
Control.
This is starting something else. They'll be back.
Bowman!
You look like hammered shit, Mason.
Man would do that to you.
Good to see you, Alex.
Jason Hudson, CIA. We're here to talk about your encounter with Russians in Laos. We got word a defector might be in play.
Today, communications are in chaos, and commercial flights from the airport have been canceled. While some
The dead offensive was the beginning of the end, when America really started losing the war. Inside the MACV compound in Way City, you established contact with the Russian defector.
No!
We know you did. He turned himself in at MACV. You were there, Mason. He had intel on Dragovich. Everything. But it was a lost cause.
Shut the fuck up!
NVA had surrounded the city. MACV had all but burned to the ground. The defector was surely dead.
He wasn't dead!
It was a lost cause, and you still went in. Why?
His protection team had gone dark. I couldn't accept that he was dead. I needed that fucking dossier!
The forces came under stopping the attack and forcing the battalion to return to the MACV compound.
Way City. That's when things really started to unravel for you, Mason.
The defector.
MACV compound in sight. You are jumping into some deep shit, Woods.
We're here to yank a defector with vital intel on Soviet involvement in Nam. We lost contact with his security team. He may be holed up in the MACV safe room.
Keep alive, we're fine!
Stop X-ray team, hook up. Hotel 6 please come back. Hotel 6, do you roger? Lima 9, Hotel 6 is gone.
Fast 12, hold your incendiaries. Where we heading, Mason?
Lima 9er, I got eyes on X-ray. You got NVA all over the north wing, Woods.
Light them up, Bowman!
Lima 9 is inbound. X-ray, get your hands down. X-ray, it's clear.
Move on! Out of the way, go! Bowman, northeast corner!
On the way.
The whole damn building's overrun! Dispatch, next floor down! You think the defector survived this attack? If he did, then he's one tough son of a bitch. What's he saying? Killed a civilian. Get the cover! Get down! Friendly fire! Target down!
Give me cover!
He down!
X-ray, this is Lima 9. Anyone who doesn't get out soon isn't going to. The NVA have overwhelmed the entire north wing.
Roger that, Lima 9er. Moving on.
Safe room, just ahead.
At the window!
Safe room is down there.
Target down! Contact down! He's down!
Reloading.
Hostile down! Clear!
Safe room's been breached. Target down! Target down!
So where's your contact?
We might have fallen back to the command room. We may still be alive. Let's move. On me.
The safe room's on the other side of the war room. RPG! Shut up!
Reloading. Cover me. Reloading. Cover me. Throwing the flag.
He's dead! Clear! Lima 9er, Sitrep, over!
X-ray, the NVA have retaken the MACV South. You are cut off.
Shit!
Roger that, Lima 9er.
You better get your asses in gear if you want an evac.
Let's go. We should be in one of these rooms.
Mason, take the door at the far end of the hallway! Pullman, on me!
Reznov. How'd you get out of Vorkuta? Never thought I'd see you alive.
Not are you, my friend. I am here with a warning. Your government would do well to heed. Dragovich is planning an attack on the west.
Dragovich, I knew we'd see him again.
His influence spreads like a cancer. Even the Kremlin does not know what he is truly planning. He must be stopped, Mason. Dragovich, Kreshenko, Stein. All must die. Are these your men?
Woods, Bowman.
I am Reznov.
What took you so long, Mason? That intel better be worth it. Leave a niner! Where the hell's our pickup?
X-ray, be advised. Marine forces are engaged in heavy fighting west of the MacV. Push through to Rally Point Delta, 2 clicks north on the river.
We'll make it! You just be there!
We wish you no harm. The People's Army of Vietnam is here to liberate.
We're gonna need some close air support for this shit.
RTJ, 1-5. We need immediate air support. Delta Oscar Tango.
Do not have authorization in that grid. What this shit, son?
Target down!
Pull it together and give me that radio.
The SOG?
Just give me the radio.
Look at that shit.
Texas, this is Sierra Oscar, Golf, X-ray. Priority 1, ordnance to my command. I authenticate Golf 2, over.
Affirmative, X-ray. Let us know where you need us.
Enemy down!
Marking coordinates, take them out.
Coordinates confirmed. Contact in the 6th-story building.
X-ray, move out!
Okay, AK. Your road clear. Texas, waiting for ordnance command, over.
Target down. Marking coordinates, take them out.
Roger that, we're inbound. Enemy down.
Reloading, give me cover. Contact down. Shit. Texas, your target is tagged.
Coming in, X-Ray. Keep your heads down. We have confirmed kills at 0. Area secure.
Tango down! Got it! X-Ray, we're under heavy fire! X-Ray, the grid is high. RT Texas is pulling out. Take down that anti-air and we'll return to support. Over. Understood, Texas!
I see it! See that shoot! Second floor, in the street! Gotta find another way! Exit to the beat zone! We got a tank! Off the street!
X-Ray, the grid is high. RT Texas is pulling out. Take down that anti-air and we'll return to support. Over.
Understood, Texas!
I see it! See that shoot! Second floor, in the street! Gotta find another way! Exit to the beat zone! We got a tank! Fire! Off the street! Fuck! Take out that DSU! Bowman, keep these guys safe! Got it!
Contact down.
I couldn't believe Reznov was here in Way City. He was the defector.
He came back for you, Mason. Reznov was back.
Still in one piece, my friend.
I'm good.
Mason! You okay, brother?
I'm still breathing. We'll see you at the rally point. Contact down.
There's a ride! Good work,
I'm not so
Mason.
sure.
Get the wounded first. More birds on their way. Sit tight. X-Ray, air support is offline while we evacuate the wounded.
Looks like we gotta wait. Everyone load up. I want this LZ secure. Mason set up charges around the perimeter.
Get the wounded first. More birds on their way. Sit tight.
No, going to be
that ceasefire.
The enemy's courage could
From
be
the
the result
southeast!
of their newfound ally.